Good morning, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Mr. Tran, and I am the current Year 11 Extension 1 Mathematics teacher at Arthur Phillip High School. So, my job as the Extension teacher is to not only provide students knowledge about the extension material, but also to push the students to be better mathematicians throughout the Year 11 and Year 12 course. So, in Term 1, students in the advanced course would have gone through algebra and functions. Now, in the extension component, we are able to extend their knowledge by going through harder concepts. For instance, as part of functions, we managed to go through inverse functions, which is another type of relationship. We also went through absolute values, and we also went through something known as parametrics. Now, parametrics is all about providing points with a particular equation, and students are able to derive the Cartesian equation from the parametric points provided. Now, that is a skill that Year 11 students were developing throughout Term 1. Now, as part of their assessment tasks in Term 1, we got the students to actually go through a whole assignment related to simple pendulums and complex pendulums. Now, the reason why this was provided was because pendulums provide an invaluable tool of creating relationships between the length of the string as well as the time it takes for it to oscillate. Now, the pattern that students develop requires their skills and knowledge related to parametrics and as well as inverse functions. Now, towards the end of Term 1, beginning of Term 2 or so, we then went through trigonometry, which is an advanced topic. However, in Term 2, towards the middle of Term 2, we then went through the extension component of trigonometry, such as looking at double angle formulas, such as looking at the T formulas, and looking at harder equations related to trigonometry. On top of that, students were also tasked with the knowledge and skills involved in figuring out trigonometric functions when their inverses are involved. Now, in Term 2, the Extension 1 assessment task was an in-class test where students were tested on their knowledge of trigonometry, but just only the extension component. Now, what's been happening is the extension students are now working through the calculus course, in which students will be learning about differentiation as well as the applications involved with that. Now, in Term 3, which is next term, students will be provided with a preliminary exam, which is sort of like a big overview of the entire Year 11 course. Now, I'm wishing every Year 11 student good luck, stay safe, be healthy, and I wish everybody the best. Take care.